So in this video, you will be learning how to showcase a featured channel. Maybe you've got a second channel that you would like to feature on the home page of your channel, or you've got a friend or friend's channel that you would like to feature on the home page of your channel. In today's video, I will be showing you exactly how to do that. So guys, the first thing you're going to need to do is to log on to Google. Make sure you type in YouTube desktop. So you're getting the desktop version of YouTube Studio. The first thing that should come up is youtubestudio.youtube.com. Okay? Click onto that. You are going to see a page highlighting your channel dashboard. Now, this is what my channel dashboard looks like. You can see my latest video. You can see my other published videos, and you can see my analytics and how much subscribers I have got and how much I've gained in the last 28 days. Now, on this side, okay, you are going to go down to the very bottom. So second to last bottom, you will see this icon here, and it means edit. So when you click on that icon, you should see customization. And this is where you can customize your channel homepage, okay? And this is where you can put a featured channel to be featured on the front of your channel, the very home page of your channel. Okay, so since the 15th of October 2020, YouTube now has got featured channel on the front page of there. Anyone can have featured channel on the front page of your YouTube channel. So on the home page of your YouTube channel, featured channel is featured there, and also in the featured channel section. So this is my second channel, and this is where you can edit. Okay, so you can put a title here. You can put anything you want. I have basically said sub to my second channel. You can look up the name of the channel. If you've got a second channel, you could look up the name of your second channel. Or if you wanted to feature a friend or your favorite YouTuber. So when you search for the names, you can see the names come up right there. So I've just put in Portland Angel, which is my second channel, okay? And Portland Angels come up. You can just select that. Once you've selected it, there you go. You've selected Portland Angel, and you click on Done. And Portland Angel should show up right there. Okay. And when you go onto your channel dashboard, in a moment, I will show you guys a channel dashboard so you can then go back to so once you've done that, you just need to save. Make sure you click publish. Okay, once you've clicked publish, then it will show on your channel, and it says go to channel. So there you go. You can see sub to my comedy channel, which is my second channel, and it's featured on the front page. I should not say front page. I should say it's featured on the home page. For those small YouTubers, especially small YouTubers who don't know how to get their channel, second channel, or other channels featured on the home page, this is exactly how you do it. Okay, and here's another section where you can find featured channels in the chat underneath channels. Okay, so guys, if you've got any comments, if you've got any queries or questions about anything I mentioned in my video today, please leave me a comment in the comment box below. Also, please subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful or any other videos of mine helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to reading all your comments, and have yourself a good day. Okay?